Hey guys, today we're having a look at the Gigabyte SSD. This is a NVMe drive and it's a 500 gig. With this little drive you can install it directly onto the motherboard. It's not a SATA drive and it fits into a M.2 slot. So there you can see it's a Gen 3 drive and this is the 2500E. At the back of the box it says that the read and write speeds are 2300 megabits per second. Read and write is 1500 megabits per second. So let's quickly get it out of the box and just show you how it looks. I'm not going to install it on this video. This is purely an unboxing video just to show you how the drive looks, what it will look like in your machine maybe. You can make an informed decision on buying this just by watching this nice video of mine. Right. So when we open up the package, there's this little plastic container, nothing else inside. And in here is your NVMe drive securely kept. You get a little pamphlet with just showing you the limited warranty. So let's open up this little plastic holder. The drive just drops out like that, and this is a sticker that's on top of here, so don't remove this. And as you can see here, this is M.2 NVMe, and this is not a SATA port connector with two little gaps. It's only got the one gap on the one side. So this will fit into a NVMe M.2 slot. So yeah, that's it. Just showing you how it looks and what you get when you buy this. This is just a quick video. Thanks for watching.